Welcome back to Microlearning English, 5 minutes each day. This is day 10. Today we combine two useful patterns. There is, there are, to describe the situation. Then, you can, you should, to say what's possible or what's a good idea. On day 7, we practice two patterns together. There is, there are, to describe what's around, and then we talked about actions. I eat, she drinks. The example that we had was there are apples in the basket. She eats one. There are apples in the basket. She eats one. So the first sentence was to describe what's around. The second sentence was to talk about the action. Today we talk about describing the situation and then to say what is possible or what is a good idea. So you'll hear examples like, there is a mess, you should clean it. There are tools, you can use them. Let's speak clearly, repeat slowly, and build natural English. Repeat after me. There is a mess in the room. You should clean it. Say it again. There is a mess in the room. You should clean it. Next. There are books on the floor. You can pick them up. There are books on the floor. You can pick them up. One more. There's a fan in the corner. You can turn it on. Repeat. There's a fan in the corner. You can turn it on. Now let's move to the past. Repeat. There was water on the floor. We should have cleaned it. Again, there was water on the floor. We should have cleaned it. Next. There were papers everywhere. She could not find her notes. Again, there were papers everywhere. She could not find her notes. One more. There was noise outside. We could not sleep. Repeat. There was noise outside. Last night, we could not sleep. Let's connect the ideas. Follow me. There are vegetables in the fridge. You can cook dinner. Again, there are vegetables in the fridge. You can cook dinner. There are, you can. Next, there is a baby in the room. We should be quiet. There is a baby in the room. We should be quiet. Next, there were problems yesterday. We should have called earlier. There were problems yesterday. We should have called earlier. There were, we should have. There is, we should. Were, should have. One more. There was a phone on the desk. You could have used it. There was a phone on the desk. You could have used it. Let's go fast. Call and response. There is food. You should eat. There are shoes. He can clean them. There was smoke. We should have left. There were tools. She could fix it. Now, just the rhythm. There is, you can. There are, you should. There was, we should have. There were, she could. Now you can describe what's around and say what someone can or should do. Tomorrow is day 11. We'll mix 2 more patterns and keep practicing. See you then.